How to go live on Likee app. First, open the Likee application on your device. If you don't have it, you can download it from Play Store. Now make sure that you're logged into your account, because if you're not logged in, you will not be able to go live. So once you're logged in, you will find the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. After tapping on it, go to the live section, and from here you can go live. So you can also change the cover photo to make it more attractive. So from your gallery, you can choose whatever cover photo you want and then attract viewers with a nice title. So here you can add a nice title about what the live is going to be. So here I'm just typing my first live. And now after this, you can simply tap on the go live option at the bottom of your screen and you will be going live. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.